Well, good day. It is the 9th of July, 2021. Can you imagine that? Nice day here in Chicago. This is really a follow-up on the two ATF agents who were shot at, wounded, and a Chicago police officer. And I've got here the Chicago Sun-Times, which is one of the two papers in the city of Chicago. And they've actually made it, a little bit easier to read in that it's smaller. But, on page 10, they have an article that an arrest has been made and that this guy shot the officers in a case of mistaken identity. Okay, he thought they were rival gang members. And this guy's name is Eugene Jen McLaurin. Okay, he's the suspect.
Investigators say McLaurin told them he thought their unmarked car was being driven by a rival gang, that he fired on them with a Glock pistol he purchased just a few months ago. As of these shootings, 5 law enforcement officers had been shot in Chicago in just 3 days. McLaurin has a lengthy criminal history, mostly gun and drug charges dating back to 2013, leading to multiple terms in state prison. In this case, he could get 20 years for firing on federal agents.
And they charge him with assault on a federal agent, which carries a maximum of 20 years. He should have been charged with attempted murder. Okay? Whenever I shot at somebody, I was trying to kill him. Okay? And I'm sure this young fool was trying to kill these agents. He may not have known they were agents. It doesn't matter. See, one of the questions that I got, and it was a good question, how can we recapture that mindset that we had 30 years ago when we were enforcing laws? Here's how you can do it. You've got to be tough. Okay? And the people that we've got, they're not tough. They're not mentally tough. They're already making excuses for the guy. It's a case of mistaken identity. I don't care if it's a case of mistaken identity. When Everett Hatcher, Agent Hatcher, was killed, it was a case of mistaken identity. It didn't matter. We hunted the guy down until a mob took his life. Okay? He's got to go. Now, obviously he didn't kill anybody, so he's not going to get the death penalty. He's in custody, but he's got to go for the rest of his life. No parole. Okay? That's 3 counts of attempted murder on a law enforcement officer. Attempted murder, not assault. Okay? I guess attempted murder is only good if you're a police officer choking a felon, I guess if you're shooting at a cop, that's not attempted murder. See, this is the problem. You say, where do we get this mindset back again? You get the government that you vote for, ultimately. And remember this, and it's just the only little bit of advice I'm going to give you. Because when I came into law enforcement, the government was run by World War II veterans, okay? The Depression and World War II were the two defining events of their lives, essentially. But remember this, hard times make for tough people. Tough people make for easy times. Easy times make soft people. Soft people make hard times. And we're going into that last category right now, and then the cycle begins again. But y'all are going to have to be the tough people, because and you're going to have to be tough because the people in charge, they're not tough. And that is my rant. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you at least got something out of it if you didn't enjoy it. And thank you for watching. And I really appreciate the number of views and the positive comments. Okay? God bless y'all.